If you download a new application and it's not showing on the home screen, this video is going to show you how to disable that setting. So if I download a new application right now, this application won't show on my home screen, and that's because there is a new setting that controls where new applications are listed. So I just downloaded a new app, and as you can see, the application is not showing anywhere on my screen, but rather is showing on my app library. You could press the screen and you could add it to the home screen like that. But if you want to stop this behavior altogether, what you need to do is you need to go over to your settings. So open settings and then click on this option here that says home screen. And then here you could put new downloaded apps over to your home screen. And now when you download another application, they should show now on your main home screen. Additionally, if you don't want, let's say, this applications on this page to show, if you long press the screen and then press in here on the bottom, any page that has a check mark will show on the phone. If it doesn't have a check mark, then that page won't show those applications. So that's another way to hide and unhide applications on certain pages on your phone. All right, well, if you have any questions, leave your comment below and please subscribe.